Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and today we embark a new series, Oral Surgery. I hope you are ready for this because we've prepared some amazing content. In this lesson, we will cover the instruments most commonly used in oral surgery, and I will point out some facts for you to look out for. Now, all the information bolded and highlighted in blue this time is something I've seen come up on exams, so do try to remember those. Now let's jump right into it. So bite blocks are used to prevent patients from closing their mouth. This makes it easier for us to work and for them not to have to think about keeping their mouth open. Now there are many different shapes and colors, and these are just some examples, but it's enough for you to know that these exist. So there are two main types of surgical suction tips. First is the young core, which is primarily used for soft tissues. It has a slightly wide